Hello, this video will help you understand how to place and manage interlibrary loan requests. Interlibrary Loan, or ILL, allows you to request resources from other libraries that would not otherwise be available. To use ILL, begin at the Hood Library homepage and conduct a search using OneSearch. Make sure to sign into your library account by clicking Sign In at the top right of the screen. Once signed in, search for your desired item. In this case, an article titled Summer Behavior and Diurnal Activity of Mountain Viscacha. If you can't find your item during the initial search, you can first check Google Scholar to see if the item is available for free online. In this case, while the article does come up, it's not one that we can download for free, so we're going to return to OneSearch and select the Expand Your Search option above the list of results. As you can see, this pulled up the article I'm looking for, so I'm going to select the title and then click Get It to access the ILL form. If you'd like, you can fill out the Not Needed After section of the form. For physical items, you should allow at least 10 days for a request to be filled. Digital articles like this one are usually available within 24 hours, but it can sometimes take longer, so make sure to plan your research accordingly. Once the form is complete, select Send. You'll receive an email notification when your item is available. Sometimes even after expanding your search, you are unable to find the item you need. When that occurs, select the Still Didn't Find What You Need option above the search results. This link will bring you to a blank ILL form. Select whether you're requesting a book or an article. After that, you're only required to enter the title information, but you should include as much additional information as possible, such as the author, volume, and publication year. This will help ensure your request is processed as quickly and accurately as possible. For this form, you will need to supply a date for the Not Needed After section. After completing the form, click Send. To download articles you requested through ILL, go to your library account. From the OneSearch homepage, select your name in the top right corner of the screen. Select My Requests from the drop-down menu. From this page, you can download articles you've received and check the status of submitted requests. You should be aware that you can only view each item 5 times. Therefore, I recommend downloading your articles. That way, you can keep and view them as long as you'd like. From your library account, you can also select Loans to check the due date of physical items requested through ILL and place renewal requests. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need help with any part of the ILL process, please don't hesitate to reach out to our Interlibrary Loan team at ill@hood.edu or visit the FAQ page at hood.libguides.com/ILL.